Select the button. Click on Create Component. Click once again to add variant. Then select the second button, that will be your hover state. Choose Linear Color option. Add some effects to give the button an interesting look. Increasing text size will look more interactive. Don't forget to name the buttons properly. Copy the first button in the frame. Click on Prototype, Interactions. Select while hovering, change to, and select Hover State. Smart Animate, and set the milliseconds to 250 milliseconds. Alright, let's see how it works. Looks cool, right? For more interesting tips like this, don't forget to subscribe to Vectors.